A principal surveyed 200 high school students to find out whether they prefer to participate in fall sports or spring sports. This table shows the results. This table is called a two-way table. There are two variables that are included. Across the top we have gender, and along the side we have the sport, whether it's fall or spring. What we're going to need is some totals. And so reading across, the total of the students who responded regarding fall sports being their favorite was 108, and spring sports was 92. So there's that total of 200 students who responded to this survey. How many boys were there that responded? 100, and there were 100 girls. Based on the table, what is the probability that a high school student who answered the survey is a girl? Well, there's 100 girls that answered and 200 total, so the probability that the high school student who answered the survey was a girl was 1/2, or 50%, or 0.5. You can write probability as a fraction, a decimal, or a percent. Second question, what is the probability that a high school student chosen at random would prefer fall sports? So what we're going to do is we're going to see how many students selected fall sports. So the probability of fall sports would be 108 out of 200. Now we're going to write that as a percent. Let's simplify this fraction, calling it 54 over 100. The probability that a high school student chosen at random would prefer fall sports is 54% probability.